classmates, with your family, of course, and most especially with your loved ones.
Ay! So, ikaw nga.
Okay. So, we should not only remember that this day is the day of sharing, but also we should also remember this very special day because it is the birthday bash of our Lord. Diba? Okay, so sana
Masyado maganda yung video quality niya.
Siguro video quality.
Sana mag-enjoy tayo sa ating bakasyon ngayon. So, siyempre, we're already for today. So, kalimutan natin dahil sa tinatawag natin lesson.
Sama ka.
So, we have to share our blessing. So, in behalf of my family, I would like to wish everybody a very
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And
Piling mo, Aiko.